In a firefight, focus is life. Miss one detail, and you don't come home. But Navy SEALs discovered a strange breathing trick that forces the brain into razor-sharp concentration within 60 seconds. No pills, no coffee, just your own lungs. And yes, scientists later confirmed it on brain scans. Why focus breaks? Your brain isn't built for constant focus. Psychologists say your natural attention cycle lasts just 7 to 10 minutes before drifting. That's why you grab your phone or lose the plot in a meeting. For elite soldiers, this wasn't just annoying. It was deadly. In Navy training, 1 out of 3 candidates fails not for lack of muscle, but because their brain collapses under stress. Cortisol floods. Focus shatters. The search for a solution. The Navy tried stimulants, caffeine, modafinil, but nothing worked without side effects. Then, in the late 2000s, a team led by Dr. Andrew Huberman at Stanford found something unexpected. A built-in reflex in the lungs that calms panic and sharpens the brain, almost instantly. The breathing hack. It's called the physiological sigh. Here's how it works. 2 quick inhales through the nose. 1 long exhale through the mouth. Repeat 3 times. This reflex empties stale carbon dioxide from the lungs, stabilizes blood oxygen, and, here's the kicker, it directly silences the amygdala, your brain's fear alarm. In lab tests, soldiers' frontal cortex activity rose by 34% within 1 minute. In the field, SEAL snipers used it before missions where a single distraction could mean failure or death. Proof from training. At Coronado, recruits practiced the technique before shooting drills. Within just 5 days, their accuracy improved by 27%. But it wasn't only about hitting targets. Heart rate monitors showed they could hold calm under pressure, even with explosions nearby. One SEAL instructor said, "The breath is the trigger that pulls your brain into the zone." The science behind it. Why does it work? The physiological sigh activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the brakes for stress. Think of your body like a car. Cortisol slams the gas pedal, pushing panic. The sigh pulls the handbrake, but instead of stopping, it locks your brain into the perfect gear for focus. Researchers even saw soldiers' EEG scans, chaotic brainwaves smoothed into high beta rhythms, the signature of concentration. Your turn. This isn't just for soldiers. Before an exam, a presentation, or any high-stakes task, try this. 3 rounds of inhale, inhale, exhale. Watch your brain flip into focus mode. Because attention isn't a talent. It's a switch. And now, you know how to flip it.